ZENA stock analysis and ZENA stock prediction. In this very brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything with ZenaTech. I'm the only guy in this space with 41,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what it's not. Specifically with this, I know it's $4. Some point it reached like 7, but here's the before video when I cut it out when it was like 3 weeks ago. Right, it was $2.23. That's when I began with the longs here in the lower time frame, and then it just ran and ran and ran. And all that to say, like, the only thing that I'm going to look to double down even more on is buy here, right? But how? Well, if I see the shift, if I see the double break taking place, and if not, it's good. I'm not going to buy. Look, it's very simple. If this happens, then that occurs. It's not like I'm just going to assume that things will take the better turn. If I see the shift, then I'm buying. Simple. You have previous receipts here as well. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.